So it's hard to believe, but this is my 29th video. That's right, one away from my 30 videos in 30 days. So I'm going to tell you one of the best ways to keep your motivation up, how to keep yourself going, even when the times seem rough, and how to get some tremendous advice. But before I get into that, please like, comment, and subscribe. It means the world to small YouTubers. It's something that's really important to us. It really helps our engagement, and engagement is one of the things that the algorithm looks at to keep sending your videos out to other people so that you can get more views and more likes and more subscribers. So please. And if you know anybody who could use this video, please share with them. That'd be great. Sharing is caring. So here's one of the things that I found out, and completely by accident. I didn't even know this was a thing, but thinking back on it, I'm surprised I didn't try to look for it sooner. There's all kinds of communities involving YouTube videos. If you check out the description on a lot of the videos that you have, some people will mention that they're part of a community, or they'll mention it in their videos, or they'll mention it in their bios. Check out these communities. So what do these communities do for you? They're going to give you advice. They're going to give you encouragement. And it's so nice to be able to just reach out to somebody and go, hey, I saw that thumbnail that you made. It was absolutely incredible. How did you do it? Or what platform did you use? And when you see something that's really good, or something that you think is really cool, an editing effect or something, you can message them directly and go, hey man, I saw your video and you did this really cool thing. How did you do it? And you get a little bit of advice from somebody who's a little bit further ahead than you are. And the other thing that's great is not just speaking to people who are a little bit further along in their journey than you are, or people that are more experienced, or even just people that have a little bit more success, but you're also speaking to people that are at the same level as you, that are just starting out, or maybe they're even a couple steps behind you. And you get that camaraderie, and you get to talk with other people, and then other people ask advice of you, and it makes you feel like, hey, this is great. I'm doing something really good. One of the members in one of the communities that I'm a part of checked out a couple of my videos, and he commented on one or two of them, and you know, one of them said, hey man, this is a really great video. Keep it up. That meant the world to me. Somebody who I've spoken to, who exists, who is a real person, checked out one of my videos and is basically telling me that I'm on the right path. And we all need that, especially at the beginning. Coming into my 30th video, I'm nowhere near where I want to be, but I'm heading in the right direction. So that's great. It's all part of the journey. But having people that you can kind of use as a sounding board, or people that you could just get some advice from, or just kind of cry on their shoulder a little bit, because they've all gone through the same stuff, and you have a direct line of communication with them. It's phenomenal. One of the communities that I'm with, people all the time are putting in, you know, vote for my thumbnail. So they make 4 or 5 different designs, and they put them up, and then people vote on them, and they're getting some really good feedback and really good advice. And it helps them not just with that one thumbnail that they're making, but then every time they make another one, it's something for them to go back on and remember, hey, this color scheme, nobody really liked this. And when you have a small subset, but it's people who are actively making thumbnails and actively judging their own, so it's valid input. So I think that's absolutely phenomenal, and I am definitely a much better creator for having joined these groups. There's communities for everything everywhere. Some of them are on the other social media pages. Some of them are on different platforms. It's great. Hunt them down, look for them, join them, and participate in them. Because there's days that I can't think of something, or I'm just feeling really bad because the last video that I posted, no one looked at. I jump on there and I start going through, and I start commenting and talking to people and asking some advice, and people help you out. And next thing you know, 15 minutes later, I'm raring to go. I'm feeling excited again. Hey, this is great. You know what? I know I'm not the only one who's gotten no views on his video. I know I'm not the only one who has 5 views on a video. This is fantastic. And talking to somebody who, I remember when I started and I had, 25 views on 5 videos. Now every video that I make gets 2,500 views. Hey, you know what? I'm on the right path. I'm doing the right thing. I just got to keep going, and it helps me keep going. So do that. Join some groups, like, comment, subscribe, catch your first fish. Talk to you guys later. Have a great day.